Welcome to our guide on how to delete your Twitter account on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open Twitter on your PC and locate the navigation menu. Click or tap on it to expand the menu options. Next, click or tap on Settings and Privacy within the menu. Select Account or Your Account from the options provided. Then click or tap on Deactivate Your Account. At the bottom of the page, you will find the option to select Yes, Deactivate or Deactivate. Confirm your decision by entering your password and selecting Deactivate. By following these steps, you can easily delete your Twitter account and remove your presence from the platform. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to delete your Twitter account on your PC. Take control of your online presence by deactivating your account and ensuring your data privacy. Say goodbye to your Twitter account by following these simple steps to deactivate it securely.